I request you people to please come on the dais. Stand over here. Rashid. On that side now. Please. Not in the way. Your booklet. Okay. Body straight. Stand straight like it. This is a matter of height now because you're taller now. Yesterday we had a lesson of format number 1. Pen or pencil. Thank you. And our lesson, whenever we learn something, whenever we study something, so it is always based on some question. And same thing happened yesterday. And we attempted few questions. Now, what was our first question? This was the first question. Very simple. Gentlemen, you have 24 hours. How many hours do you have? 24 hours, no? So during your 24 hours, what do you do? What kind of activities do you carry out? The question is clear?
Yeah.
What do you do in your 24 hours, please?
Actually, first of all, I offer Fajr Namaz.
Very good. You offer the Fajr prayers, okay?
Then I take breakfast.
You take breakfast.
Then I come to my class.
You come to your class. Thank you. What does he do? He talked about 3 activities. First of all, he
goes to mosque for offering prayer, Fajr prayer.
He offers the Fajr prayers.
Fajr.
Next,
And then he takes breakfast.
he takes breakfast.
Breakfast.
Breakfast is wrong, no? Breakfast. Majid?
Breakfast.
Break.
Very good. Breakfast. No, he takes breakfast.
Breakfast.
After that,
And after he comes to the class.
he comes to the class. The class you both are standing in right now. Let me know about your activities. What do you do during your 24 hours?
I get up at the dawn.
Very good. You get up at dawn. At dawn. You get up at dawn. What does he do first of all?
He gets up at dawn.
Very good. He gets up at dawn. Next,
And then I take bath.
you take a bath. You take a bath. Please.
He takes a bath.
He takes a bath. Okay, next.
I go to the mosque for
You-
offer Fajr prayer.
Very good. You go to the mosque. Forget about that now. Later on we will do that. Why? Now you go to the mosque. Please.
He goes to the mosque.
Very good. He goes to the mosque. When you reach Sila over here, the classroom, the room you're standing in right now, what do you do over here? Any 3 things will you do over here?
We enjoy here.
Very good. You enjoy here. Number 2.
We read our chapter.
Very good. No, you read, the new chapter or you revise the previous chapter. Clear?
Clear, sir.
You read the new chapter and you revise the previous chapter as we are revising today.
Okay, sir.
Please, 2 things which he or 2 activities which he carries out over here. Number 1,
During class he enjoys.
he enjoys, very good, he enjoys during the class.
During class.
Number 2,
And he revises his study.
very good, revises. He revises the previous chapter and
And the new chapter.
what does he do with the new chapter? He learns
He learns
the new chapter.
the new chapter.
Clear? What do you do during your stay in the mosque? You know, you take a bath and after that you go to the mosque. What do you do over there?
I offer Fajr prayer.
You offer the Fajr prayers.
and I recite the Holy
You
Quran.
recite the Holy Quran. In the mosque, what does he do?
He offers Fajr prayer
He offers the Fajr prayers.
and he recites.
Very good. He recites the Holy Quran. Very simple question I'm asking, Now, the next question, that is, that this is where, question number 5, or we are skipping 3 questions, That, what do you do and where? Be very specific. Be to the point. I offer prayers in the mosque. I learn English in the academy or at Sela. I play volleyball in the ground. I cook food in the kitchen. I watch TV where?
In the TV lounge.
In the TV lounge. Very good. No, I buy things from
The market.
the market. The point is clear.
Clear, sir.
I
Do you like
I take bath
where?
in the bathroom.
Very good. You take a bath in the bathroom. Very good. Now, what does he do?
He takes a bath in the bath.
In the bathroom. What do you do and where?
Play volleyball in volleyball ground.
Very good. You play volleyball in the volleyball ground. Volley.
Okay, sir.
Okay, please.
He plays volleyball in the ground.
In the volleyball ground. He plays volleyball in the volleyball ground. What else? The other place, the other areas you visit, during your 24 hours. Please.
I-
God forbid, if you fall ill or sick, which area will you visit?
In the hospital.
So I consult the doctor in the hospital, or I consult the doctor in the clinic.
I-
What? Clinic. Majid? Clinic.
I get new ideas in the Sila.
Very good. You get new ideas from Sela.
From Sela.
You're talking about this place, not Sela. So you get new ideas from Sela. Please.
He talks,
He gets new ideas
ideas from Sila.
from Sela. And what do you do and where? Please.
I go to park with my friend.
No, that is, you go to the park, we're talking about this one, no? You go to the park with your friend.
In Joraba.
Very good. You go to the park, with your friends in Joraba. Let's see, okay?
He
What does he do? He visits the parks with his friends in Joraba. Sounds clear?
Yes.
Please. Next, one more, please. The question is clear.
Clear.
What do you do and where? I buy tickets, no? What kind of tickets, no? Tickets. Okay, we buy it. From where?
from the
From the ticket counter. From the ticket counter. Or where? No, at the bus station. At the bus,
railway station.
at the railway station, at the airport.
Taxi-
Clear?
taxi stand.
At the taxi stand. See, what do you drive and where? Hurry up. What do you drive and where?
I drive car
You drive a car. Where?
in my city.
In your city. Very good. You drive a car in your city.
In my city.
Please.
He drives the car in his city.
He drives a car in his city.
In his city.
What do you drive and where?
I drive motorcycle
Very good.
in the Joraba.
Why in the Joraba?
In Joraba.
In Joraba, no? On the road, in the streets. Clear? My question is, again I am repeating, what do you drive and where?
I drive motorcycle
Where?
in my colony
Simple gentleman, on the road.
on the road,
On the road. In the street.
in the streets.
Don't say on the roofs, no?
Yes, sir.
So, you drive motorcycle or motorbike where?
In the streets.
In the streets. Okay, what does he drive and where?
He drives motorbike in street.
In the streets, so simple, no? My question again, what do you watch and where?
I watch TV in TV lounge.
Very good. You watch TV in the TV lounge. Ji.
He watches TV in the TV lounge.
He watches TV
In the
in the TV
TV
lounge. What do you watch and where?
I watch movies
You watch movies?
in my bedroom.
Very good. You watch movies in your bedroom. Very good. Ji.
He watches movie in bedroom.
Watches.
Watches.
He watches movies in his bedroom. He teaches his brother at home. Clear? Reaches, reaches, reach, reaches, teach, teaches, watch, watches, fetch, fetches. Fetch, no? As you go to the market and you bring something for the family, for yourself. To go and bring. Clear? And they say, fetch a glass of water for milk, please. No? You are sometime your parents, or sometime your brother and sister, sometime your servant. No? Fetch me a glass of water. Clear?
Clear.
Next question, please. Next question is that what do you do and when? Please. You learn English from 6:30 to 7:30 a.m. Clear?
Yes.
You offer prayer, the Fajr prayers early in the morning. You offer the Maghrib prayer after the sunset.
Sunset.
What is clear?
Yes.
You wash your hands before you eat. You recite Tasmiyah, Bismillah wa ala barakatillah before you eat. What is clear? You say Alhamdulillah after the eating is over. Clear? When you finish your food. Question, what do you do and when? What do you do and when? There is something new?
I-
An old one, no? It's old one.
Yeah.
I sleep at night. I work in the day. Please.
Yeah, that's hard. I go to the park in night.
Very good. You go to the park at night.
At night.
At night. No? I think we did it. We did it, no? See, these are 10 hours. At dawn, then there is at midday, at noon,
And afternoon.
at dusk, at night, at midnight. Clear? At dawn. And then there is 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. For these, it is
In the,
clear.
yes.
For is clear or not? For there are 10 hours. Dawn,
At dawn.
no, first hour is dawn,
Dawn.
then morning, then day, then midday, then noon, then afternoon, then evening, then dusk, then night, and after that midnight. So out of these 10s, now for 6 there is always at. For example, at dawn, at midday, at noon, at dusk,
At
at night,
at midnight.
and midnight. You are talking about at night. No clear? Then there is in the morning, then there is in the day, in the afternoon,
In the
and in the evening. No clear?
Yes, sir.
See, once again, what do you do at night? You go to the park at night.
At night.
You visit the park at night. You take rest at night. You sleep at night. You watch the movies at night. You surf the internet at night. You contact your friend
At night.
at night. And so many things are there which you do at night. Please,
I go to the bed at night.
you go to the bed
At night.
at night. Very good. No, you enjoy your sleep at night. What is clear?
Yes.
My question is again, what do you do and when?
I call my brother
Very good.
at night.
You call your brother at night. What does he do?
He calls his brother at night.
He calls his brother at night. What do you do and when?
I go to the college at 8 o'clock.
Very good. You go to the college, you go to the college at 8 a.m. Very good. You reach your college
At 8:10
Very good. You reach your college at 8:10 a.m.
a.m.
When does he reach his college?
He reached his college at 8.
One mistake, brother Maj. Reach or reaches?
He reaches.
Clear?
He
Reaches.
his college at 8.
So I'm writing over it. So simple that is, no? This is CH, no? Reaches. Preaches. He preaches Islam. He preaches good habit. He preaches truth. Preach means to tell other. As Prophet Muhammad sallam no preached Islam. And we his followers, we try to preach Islam to others, no? Practically, no? What's clear? Reach, reaches. Fetch, fetches. What's clear?
Yes.
So, you reach your college at 8:10 a.m. When does he reach his college?
He reaches his college at 8.
Very good. At 8:10 a.m. The next thing, no? The next thing. First when is very simple. We talk about hours. For example, he offers tahajjud at dawn. We offer now the Fajr prayers in the morning. We work in the day.
In the day.
We take a rest now at noon. Points clear?
Yes, sir. Or at the
Very good. No, we get up again in the afternoon. Points clear? Like that. Second is time.
time.
Whenever we talk about time, we say at 1 o'clock, at 2 o'clock, at 3 o'clock, or at 1 a.m., at 1:30 a.m., at 1:14 a.m., at 1:45 a.m. You talk about when did you read Salah?
At 6:30.
Very good. You reach Salah at 6:30 a.m. When do you leave Salah?
I leave Silla at 7:30.
Very good. No, you reach Salah at 6:30 a.m. You leave Salah at 7:30 a.m. Clear?
Clear.
So when do you learn English at Salah? You learn English at Salah from 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. Three things are there. Clear? When does he reach Salah?
He reaches Salah at 6:30 a.m.
Very good. Mr. Majid, Mr. Muhammad Majid Mahmood. He reaches now Salah at 6:30 a.m. When does he leave Salah?
He leaves Salah in 7:30 a.m. Sorry.
very good.
He leaves Salah at 7:30 a.m.
Clear? When does he learn English at Salah?
He learns English at Salah from 6:30 a.m. to
7:30 a.m. Points clear?
Yes, sir.
See, my question, you ready? When do you reach your college?
I reached college at 8 a.m.
You reach your college at 8 a.m.
Yes, sir.
Before that you were talking about 8:10 a.m. No problem. So you reach your college at 8 a.m. When do you leave your college?
I leave college from,
When do you leave your college?
sorry, sir. I leave college at 1:15
You leave your college at 1:15
p.m.
p.m. No? So when do you study in your college?
Sir, I study in college at
You're making mistake.
I study in college from
Very good. You study in the college,
8:35 a.m.
okay?
to 1:15 p.m.
Very good. You study in the college from 8:35 a.m. to 1:15 p.m.
Yes.
Gentlemen, when does he reach his college?
He reaches his college at 8
a.m. Very good. Mr. Rashid Ahmad reaches his college at 8
a.m.
a.m. When does he leave his college?
He leaves his college at 1:30
1:35, 1:35 or 1:30?
1:15.
1:15, very good. He leaves his college at 1:15 p.m. When does he study in his college?
He studies
In the college?
in the college from 8:35 to 1:50.
Very good. No points clear?
Clear.
We attempted two formats. First at and then from and to.
Two.
You ready?
Yes.
Sure, Marjan. Next when is during. What's the word?
During.
I'm writing over now. During. During. I learn English during the class. I speak English during the class. I ask question during the class. I give answers during the class. I expand my knowledge during the class. Expand, to increase. Clear? I enrich my vocabulary during the class. I build my confidence during the class. The point's clear? During your class over here at Silla, what did you do? Please.
I get new ideas.
Very good. You get new ideas during the class. What does he get during the class?
He gets new ideas during the class.
Very good. He gets new ideas during the class. What do you do during the class?
I think something
Very good. You think about different things.
different things.
You think about different things. For example, about your future, about your visa, about your planning, about your games, about your studies. Clear? About your performance, about your confidence, even about your learning. So you think about different things during the class. Please.
He thinks about different things during the class.
Very. Another, the last when. Here we are attempting when, and then we will move forward. No. See, this is when I am. Then there is, okay, leave it. I consult the doctor when I am sick. I speak English when I am at Silla. I enjoy when I am with my friends, when I am in the parks, when I am fit. Please, this is, you are supposed to attempt when and then say when I am, when I am fit, when I am okay, when I am attentive. I learn when I am attentive. I take medicine when I am sick. I visit the hospitals when I am sick. The point's clear?
Yes.
I take rest
When I am
tired.
when I am tired. I love you, Majid. Marshall. Please. Hurry up.
I sell the things when I am in the shop.
Very good. You sell different things when you are in the shop. He has a shop. No, his father has a shop. Please. What does he do and when?
I listen carefully.
No. Just let narrate his statement. No.
What he says?
You sell different things when you are in the shop.
He sells
Very good.
things when he
He is.
in the shop.
Very good. What do you do and when?
I learn English
Very good.
when I come to Silla.
Very good. You learn English when you are at Silla. When I am at Silla. Clear?
Clear.
When I come there later on, we will do in revision, no? You have basic idea now. Please.
He learns English when he is at Silla.
Very good. He learns English when he is at Silla. So your concept of when is clear.
Yes, sir.
This was a revision of the previous lesson.
Yes, sir.
Today we are going to attempt to know something new, and that is also very, very important. That what do you do and how? There are I have shared these notes with you on WhatsApp. Clear? You can consult, no? This is a list of words, no? There are 1197 words. These are used for responding, no, to this question. What do you do and how? What do you do and how? For example, you can say that you speak English confidently, correctly, properly, attractively. How do you eat food? You can say you eat food mannerly, properly, slowly. And if somebody is in hurry, so he will or she will eat food, no? How? Hurriedly, quickly, fast, and which is bad. We should avoid that. What you have to do, you will open this file by using your mobile, and you have to prepare any 20 words from these 1197 words. You will prepare them and you will have to speak over here in the classroom tomorrow. The assignment is clear?
Yeah.
For example, start reading and you see right that the word is no actively. You know the meaning, I'm sure. Actively. For example, I stand actively. I play volleyball actively. I run actively. I respond to the questions actively. No points clear? Like that you will take the words. And for example, let's see.
Any 21.
Very good. How simple that is.
I feel actively.
Very good. You feel
Actively.
that is, how do you feel that is active? We will do later on. Points clear?
Yes.
Clear.
See, my question is very simple now. How do you eat food? Both.
I eat food slowly.
Very good. You eat food slowly.
I eat food carefully.
You eat food carefully. You don't let even any particle of or any piece of food fall on the body, fall down, go waste, etc. You take special care. So you eat food carefully. And you eat food slowly. How does he eat food?
He eats slowly.
He eats food slowly. How does Mr. Rashid eat food?
He eats food carefully.
Very good. You drive. Do you drive?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Yes, I do. Do you drive?
Yes, I do.
Do you drive?
Yes.
Yes, no, yes. Does he drive? Yes, he does.
Yes, he does.
Does he drive?
Yes, he does.
Yes, he does. Now, my next question. How do you drive?
I drive attentively.
Very good. You drive attentively. How does he drive?
He drives attentively.
He drives attentively. How do you drive?
I drive carefully.
Very good. You drive carefully. How does he drive?
He drives carefully.
Very good. No, like that you have to speak. That. How do you speak?
I speak mannerly.
Very good. You speak mannerly. This is the sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is the commandment of Allah Almighty to speak how? Mannerly, respectfully, politely, clear? Carefully, by choosing proper word, that is other format, How does he speak?
He speaks, sorry, the word you said.
Carefully.
He speaks carefully.
Mannerly. Or he speaks? Mannerly. How do you speak?
I also speak mannerly.
Mannerly. You speak lowly. See, I write in the word, L-O-W, low, L-Y, lowly, in low voice. I speak loudly. I speak loudly, and Mr. Majid speaks lowly. And he also speaks mannerly, How do you speak?
I speak loudly.
Very good, and mannerly as well, How does he speak?
He speaks lowly and mannerly.
Very good. Frankly, let me know, you are observing him right now, or you have been observing him for last 3 days. How does he speak? What's your point of view about him?
He speaks slowly.
He speaks slowly. Very good, no? What's your point of view? How does he speak?
Mr. Moy also speaks slowly and manner.
Very good, no? The gentleman sitting over there, you're very familiar with him. What's his name?
His name is Muhammad Shakir Mahmood.
Muhammad Shakir
Muhammad
Mahmood.
Shakir.
Mr. Muhammad Shakir Mahmood. He's your brother.
Yes.
Your brother. See, how does he speak?
He speaks loudly.
Loudly, I can guess, no? The gentleman speaks loudly, no? See, how does he eat?
He eats manually.
He eats mannerly. If he drives, whenever he drives, how does he drive?
He drives carefully.
He drives carefully, according to the traffic rules, no? I eat food according to the Sunnah. I lead my life according to the teaching of God. I speak English, no? According to
Brit.
the British accent, no? You try, I can't, no? See, particularly, your father, how does he eat? How does he play? How does he run his shop? How does your father run the shop?
My father runs the shop attentively,
Attentively, honestly.
honestly.
The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "At-tajir as-saduq al-amin," the one who runs, his trades, clear, how honestly,
Honestly.
he shall be there among the with the prophets, clear, on the day of judgment. No, so how lucky that person is, clear. So your father runs the shop honestly.
Honestly.
See, what is the business of your father? What does he do?
My father has no business.
No business, no, but what is his source of income? What does he do?
Uh,
Okay.
what's the English of his father?
Oh, absolutely right. He is, you can say, his income, he is, you can say, a farmer. He is a farmer. He cultivates crops.
So what is landlord?
Landlord, you can say, no, that's something different. What is he? He is a landlord. Clear? Again, he is agriculturalist. Clear? His source of income is based on agriculture. He cultivates crops. Clear?
Yes.
Marshall. He is now that, as we call it, agrarian. What? Agrarian. Agrarian whose income is based on agriculture. Agrarian. Clear?
Yes.
So he plows the fields. He grows different crops. He cultivates crops. He uses those crops for the family, and he sells the crops to others as well. First clear? Like that. See, and my next question now, we're talking about the word how. Did you get something? Did you understand it?
How?
See, my question is very simple now. You spend your 24 hours. Everybody has 24 hours. During your 24 hours, what do you do and how? Like that. I polish my shoes shinily. I press my clothes properly. I brush my teeth shinily. Clear? Shinily. Like that, no? I talk to the people mannerly. I learn English regularly, punctually. Once clear? I watch TV attentively, minutely. I eat food mannerly. Like that. Any 5 activities of yours during your 24 hours, please. Any 5 activities.
I offer prayer attentively.
You offer prayers attentively. That is there in the holy. That's a good answer. That's a good note. Attentively, it's good. Quran tells us some other words. That is
Submissive.
submissively. That is there in the Holy Quran, part number 18. قَدْ أَفْلَى الْمُؤْمِنُونَ الَّذِينَ هُمْ فِي صَلَاتِهِمْ خَاشِعُونَ. Khushu say, with khushu, clear, submissively. That time I think about nothing, about none else. So as a whole, at that particular moment, only one is there, that is none except Allah Almighty. submissive. पढ़ इसके लिए. So you offer prayers submissively. Number 2.
I cross the
How does he offer prayers?
He offers prayer
Submissively. Submissively. This is submissively, attentively. Number 2, hurry up.
I drive carefully.
You drive carefully. Majid.
He drives carefully.
He drives carefully. Number 3.
I attend lectures regularly.
Very good. You attend the lecture attentively. Ji.
He attends the lecture
Attentively. He attends the lecture attentively. He attends the meetings punctually. He attends the functions punctually. Punctual. He doesn't get late. Points clear? Next, number 3. Okay, what's about your 2 points? No? Then I will make know that. Ji.
I play volleyball regularly.
Very good. You play volleyball regularly. Ji.
He plays volleyball regularly.
Regularly. Number 2.
I come to Silla for learn English regularly.
Regularly. You come to Sela regularly. You come to Sela punctually. You don't get late. You are always there on time, no? Exactly at 6:30. Ji.
Mr. Majid comes
To Sela
to Sila regularly.
regularly and punctual. Number 3. Now the 5 activities are supposed not to be shared. Please. Number 3. What do you do an hour during your 24 hours?
I tell sir you 3 points.
No, 2. You told
So
2.
first I offer prayer
Okay.
uh,
Okay.
submissively,
Okay.
and then I ask. I told you I drive,
Okay.
Okay.
And then I switch over. No?
and then I attend lecture.
Okay, 3. Good. Very good. No. So number 1, first of all, you offer prayer submissively. Number 2,
I drive.
you drive carefully. Number 3,
I attend lecture.
you attend the lecture attentively.
Attentively.
Sorry, gentlemen. See, number 4, please. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
I give answer so politely.
Very good. You give the answers politely, correctly, accurately, according to the question. Points clear?
Yes.
So you give answers correctly. Please, what does he do? How does he give answers? How does he give answers?
He gives answer
Correctly.
correctly and actively.
Very good. Now, how do you give answers?
I give answers slowly.
You give answers slowly, lowly. Very good. How does he give answers?
Mr. Majid gives answer lowly.
Lowly. Very good. Now, how do you practice English? How do you practice English?
Practice English actively.
Very good. You practice English actively. Clear?
Yeah.
Regularly.
Regularly.
You practice English how no? In the by sending messages. No, in English. By calling your friends in English. By talking to your friend in English. Clear? See, how does he practice English?
He practicing in
He practices English. He practices English how?
to send messages.
By sending
By
messages
sending
in
messages
English.
in English.
By calling his friends
In
in English. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Like that, no? Still one is left. I'm skipping time is, no, that, oh, we have only 6 minutes, no? The next one is that what do you do and why? What do you do and why? To attempt this question, this is the first format, 2 and V1. I think sure you know about V1. You can, I attend Sila, why?
To learn English.
To learn English. Very good. No, I go to the market
To buy
to buy something, to buy things I need.
and
Points clear? I eat food.
to
To quench.
To quench.
What's the word? I'm writing word.
Quench.
Quench. Quench. To quench my hunger. I drink water to quench my thirst. Meaning of quench is clear?
Clear.
Very good, no? My question now, that what do you do and why? Any three activities. Hurry up. As I can tell now that I read books to get knowledge. I watch English movies to develop, to improve my English. First clear, I eat food to quench my hunger. Like that. Please.
I go to museum
Very good.
to visit.
To visit it. Very good. No, you go to the museum, no, to visit. To visit it, no, to see, no, the things of the past, of the old time, that is there in the museum, no, like that, please. Hurry up.
I go to the college
Okay,
to get knowledge.
you, very good, you go to the college to get knowledge, to get education,
Education.
to brighten your future, clear? To develop your confidence, to groom your personality, to polish your character, not clear?
Yes.
Please, what do you do and why?
I go to cinema
You go to the cinema, very good, to watch movies.
to watch movies.
Very good, you go to the cinema to watch movie. Gee, where does he go to and why?
He goes to the cinema to watch movies.
Very cinema. He goes to the cinema to watch movies. Gee, hurry up, what's about you? I watch TV.
I watch TV to listen new news.
Very good. No, to listen to the news or to educate myself, to inform myself, to entertain myself. But you want to know about the world, to know about the country, to know about the latest development. Clear? So you watch television to hurry up again.
I watch TV
To
listen news.
listen to the news, always to listen to. Gee, why does he watch television?
He watches television
To
listen news.
listen to the news or to watch news. Clear? To watch news. Okay, one more thing please before we move forward. We have hardly 3 minutes now. Please. What do you do and why?
I drive motorcycle to go to college.
Very good. You drive the motorcycle to go to the college. Clear? To reach the college on time. To go to the college. Please.
I go for walk
Okay?
to fit my body.
Very good. No, to fit your body, no, to develop your body, to maintain your body, to improve your body. Clear? Very good.
I take exercise
Okay?
to self me fit
To keep me fit.
to keep me fit
You take exercise to keep yourself fit. Clear?
to keep myself fit.
Please. Next we're moving. Next is no, that for and then what? What is clear? For example, I read books for what? For knowledge.
For knowledge.
I eat food for what? For energy. I attend Sila.
For
For what?
English.
For
Learn
that is to learn English or here for English.
for
For
English.
English.
Clear? I stand at the dais. For what?
For confidence.
Very good. For confidence. For the development of confidence. For presentation. Clear? Like that now. What do you do and why? Now this format is supposed to be followed. I can give another example. I eat food for energy. I watch TV for news.
For news.
I watch TV for movies. I watch TV for talk shows. No example is clear?
Clear.
Please. You play volleyball for fitness,
For fitness.
for mental fitness, for physical fitness. Please. What do you do and why?
I listen Holy Quran's law
Very good.
for
For guidance.
guidance and
For guidance, hidayat ke liye, no, for guidance. That nothing is the Holy Quran. In hadha al-Quran yahdi lillati yakuma. For hidayat, guidance, no. See, you listen to the recitation of the Holy Quran. You listen to the recitation of the Holy Quran for guidance. You read the Holy Quran for guidance. You consult the Holy Quran for guidance. You open the Holy Quran for guidance. Clear? Please. Why does he read the Holy Quran?
He reads the Holy Quran
For guidance.
for guidance.
And what do you do? Please. And for what or why? Hurry up. One thing is left and we have hardly 1 minute. Please.
I visit the market
Okay, for shopping.
for shopping.
You visit the market for shopping.
For shopping.
Ji.
He visits to the market for
Okay, for shopping. See, dear Majid, whenever visit is there is no to. I visit my friend means I meet my friend. I visit the hospital. You visit the ground. We visit the stadium. We visit the parks. We visit different areas. What's clear? He visits the school. You both visit the academy. What's clear? The last one, that is because. What's clear?
yeah.
Please. I speak the truth because it's good habit.
That's good him because
Once clear? Other example, please. I take exercise because it's good for health. I brush my teeth because it's good for the teeth.
Say, O people of the book, come to terms common between us and you. That we worship none but God, and that we associate nothing with him, and that none of us takes others as lords besides God. And if they turn away, say, bear witness that we have submitted.